Hey, what is up, everyone? So, welcome back to my channel. And I know it's been a long since I've uploaded a video, but trust me, I was like busy with my IRL stuff, and also I was a bit lazy. So, yeah, but I'm back with a trade breakdown. And so there was a trade that I took, and I'm going to explain why I took that trade in this video. Okay, so this is the trade actually. Okay, so this is like the 1 hour view of it, and this is the lower time frame view of it. So you can see kind of a very stress-free kind of trade. So literally like a zero drawdown trade. So price just straight up goes to my TP, giving me a clean 2 hours. So I'm going to explain the reasons behind taking this trade, right? So, but first we need to understand the high time frame. So I'm gonna go from like high time frame to the low time frame into the execution. So here is the daily chart. So you can kind of see that price was in a bearish order flow, yet I decided to take a bullish trade. I mean, a buy. So there was something that caught my eye actually. So even though price was bearish, okay, and you can see that price actually got into this fair value gap, then it took out this low and it fell to this place below this low. And I was seeing some low time frame bullish structure as well, like on the 1 hour chart. So those things kind of indicated that it might go to the upside. So that this can either be a retracement and then price can continue lower, or this can just be a reversal, because if you go into the weekly chart, we can see that price is clearly bullish. Like you can see that still like the weekly order flow is bullish. Have a look at this right here. So kind of see how price is going higher on the weekly chart. So these are like what kind of indicated to me that price might go higher. So now going into the 1 hour chart, let's review what's up with the 1 hour chart. So you can see this is that daily fair value gap. So price taps that, right? Then we have this accumulation. You can see that we have this accumulation right here. Then if I show you the weekly open, so this is like the weekly open right here. This is like the weekly open. Price goes down, and then so like remembering that open low high close uh, concept by ICT. So in bullish weeks, price is most likely gonna open, then go lower to manipulate, and then expand higher, right? So I was kind of having this in my mind as well, and it kind of played out as well. Okay, so you can see we have this AMD thing going on right here. So accumulation, manipulation, and then the distribution. And look at the 1 hour chart, it is clearly going higher, right? So these things kind of told me that price is going higher. So basically we use like the high time frame, the very high time frame, that the weekly or the daily chart, to actually determine where the price is going. And that from what I understood from the higher time frame, it was that price is gonna go to the previous day's high. Okay, then we go into the middle time frame, which in this case is the 1 hour chart. We use it to confirm if our high time frame drawn liquidity is going to be taken out or not. Okay, so we kind of look at the structure, and you can clearly see that the order flow on the 1 hour chart is bullish. So that kind of confirms our bias. Now when these two things are aligned, we go into our lower time frame to actually execute on that. Okay, that is our execution. So I'll go into that, but before that, let me tell you about the my public challenge that is currently ongoing on my Twitter. So basically there's a 100K account, okay, and I'm publicly taking it out. I'm sharing the trades before I take it. Okay, so this trade was also shared on my Twitter before I even took it. Okay, and I'm like doing it publicly. Okay, I'm doing a public 100K challenge, so make sure to check that. And special thanks to Funded for sponsoring this public challenge. Funded is a platform with amazing and excellent trading conditions, best customer support, and with a very budget friendly prices. So you can see that you are getting two 5K accounts for price of $41. make sure to apply the coupon code Y3FQX to avail this sale. But getting two 5k accounts is very cheap at this price. You are getting 200k account, okay, at the price of $328 by using this code right here, and this applies to all the evolutions. So make sure to avail this offer. Link is in the description and you can see the rules as well. And here is the link to my public challenge. Okay, I will give that as well so you can kind of monitor the trades I'm taking. You can see that I took two trades, one was a winner and one was a loser. Okay, I took this loss today, which I might do a breakdown of it maybe. But let's get back into the this trade right here, which was the winner. So you can see that price was bullish on the 5-minute chart as well. So now that we know what our drawn liquidity is and we have confirmed it with our middle time frame, we can go into the lowest time frame, which is like in this case M5, okay, for me. So we can go there and then look for an execution. So price actually took out this short-term low, then expanded higher, which is a sign of bullish order flow, right? Then it retraced into this 1 hour fair value gap. So if you go into the 1 hour chart, you can clearly see that. Okay, let me go into it. Okay, here is it. This is that 1 hour fair value gap. Back to the 5-minute chart, you can see we have this red on the slow. Okay, this market structure shift, and I enter right here. Okay, this is an intermediate term low as well, right? You can kind of see that it reads a short term low, moves higher, there's a short term low to the right side of it. So this is a very high probable trade. You can see that price just without any drawdown moves to the TP. This was the whole breakdown of the trade, and yeah, so this is pretty much it. Make sure to follow me on Twitter to keep track of my trades. I mean, if like you can get alert for the trades I'm gonna take. Okay, and for more educational stuff, because I'm more active on my Twitter than on my YouTube, so make sure to join that. Apart from that, I have a free Discord as well, which you can join, and you will get my journal in there. I'll be journaling all these challenge trades in there, so make sure to join it. And for this video, goodbye, have a great time.